Welcome to another video. Today we're talking NFTs and specifically talking about the Astro Army DAO. It's telling us that a new battle awaits. 3,333 hand-painted NFTs are going to be launching on the Solana blockchain. What is the Astro Army DAO all about? First, they have fractional share of digital blue chip assets. So you basically own a fractional share of blue chip digital assets. Make that sink in, and we will talk more about it in a few. All of their NFTs, or they are claiming that all of their NFTs are hand painted. They are one-on-one art pieces, and therefore each and every one of them is unique. Not like some other projects that basically have some copies or some things that really look alike, but you're not really sure if they look alike. These are all unique. And therefore, they also have a very low supply, with 3,333 pieces. But this time you can upgrade your NFT. Yeah, you heard it correctly. These NFTs will be upgradable, and we will get into that in a few moments. And last but not least, they have a public team. Not a lot of projects actually release their team or dox their team, but these guys are so confident about their project, about the viability, about the sustainability, about just about everything about the project that they are not afraid to show themselves, which I really like and I truly give them props for. The launch date will be on the 22nd of January in 2022. So basically 22/1/22. Amazing. Now let's deep dive into their website. The first thing that they want you to do is choose your race. So you will have to choose a race. This is maybe a complicated issue for some of you, but the darkness has distributed its forces of balance and the war for collective space is amongst us. Races and factions from afar unite together to assemble the Astro Army. The Astros must restore peace or their mere existence is threatened. Gear up and join the battle. The first race that you can join is the human race. The human race has 3 different skin colors: dark, lighter and light. The second is the droid race, which will have colors of grayish, yellowish and red. Third will be an alien race. These have the colors purple, brown and of course light blue. And last but not least, if you have the opportunity to get one, you could get a mystic god. They do not have a skin color because they are 10 unique mystic gods. There will only ever be 10 of those NFTs. Therefore, making it probably one of the more rare races that you will be able to get. What are the perks of owning a Astro Army or an Astro Army NFTs? As they said, you will have the fractional share of blue chip digital assets. Some people feel that they missed the boat on virtual land. They would wish that they could afford a blue chip NFT, or they want to diversify across different types of assets. The Astro Army DAO is an excellent opportunity to own a share of a diversified set of high growth assets. What this is telling us is they are basically trying to buy or are already buying blue chip assets or high level assets, which you will be able to own a small piece of. Second point is universe perks. Astro Army holders will have exclusive access to a variety of benefits, such as unique airdrops, partnerships, rewards and access to their invite-only membership club. We can check the roadmap for more information and we will definitely do that in a few. The third part is that this is an upgradable NFT. With their airdrops, you will be rewarded upgrades for your Astro Army NFT with different traits and these can change the appearance of the art. I will show you an example in a few moments, but last but not least, there are all hand-painted art pieces. Each Astro Army is truly unique and was crafted to ensure the best art for our collectors. How does that DAO work? Well, 20% of the minting proceeds and 50% of ongoing royalties go to the community wallet to fund asset purchases. So basically, if you own an NFT, you will be able to decide what happens with these funds. So you will decide what happens to 20% of the minting proceeds and 50% of the ongoing royalties. The Astro Army DAO members will receive Astro tokens representing the fractional shares of assets held in the community vault. Members also get exclusive access to the DAO community and voting rights over the DAO's assets. So you'll be able to join them in this journey. And for us now, the example goes as follows, but this will be decided by all NFT holders. But they could do like a quarter metaverse land, a quarter of staking in Sol, a quarter of rare collectibles and a quarter of blue chip NFTs. These can differ from what the community choose. And here you can see how you can upgrade your NFT. So, we will be airdropping limited traits throughout 2022. These will only be given to Astro Army holders. And if they are looking to get an airdrop, you will be able to upgrade your NFT to improve the traits and make it more rare. As you can see, you would have a girl with a one strap, and you could get an item which could give her a full strapped bra, which also has a very cool and distinctive look. Onto their roadmap. This roadmap outlines their goals and where they want to take Astro Army. They got a lot of cool ideas and concepts they are working on, but this will evolve over time as they get the feedback from the DAO. So this has already been built, or they are basically building up until the launch on these things. Discord website, roadmap V1, art reveals, list on several LFT calendars, they will publish the roadmap V2, they will deploy contracts and get verified, they will host multiple Ask Me Anythings with the community and implement feedback. And these are also not some Ask Me Anythings, these are video Ask Me Anythings, and this is something that not a lot of NFT projects do, so make sure to make something out of this. They will be building the community, they will be trying to get partnerships and get influencers on board, and they had their first decentralized autonomous organization or DAO purchase from the team for the community vault. So they basically got a Mechaverse 6622, and these are already, or this one is already in the vault for the team. So if you own an NFT, you will own a piece of Mechaverse 6622. And in January, once again, January 22nd, they will launch the project. They will launch on Magic Eden and Solana Art. The pre-sale is still open. To give you guys a heads up, once again, the public sale is the 22nd of January, and they are going to be launched on the rarity tools like howrare.is. Also special airdrops to come. After the launch, they will give free rewards to early supporters. So if you are there now, which I would say is still pretty early, you would be able to get a free reward. To celebrate the launch of our project, we are rewarding the first 50 transactions with special rewards. Whether you only win 1, 3, you will be able for a reward. They will be doing ongoing giveaways for holders, partnership and utility token, gaining exclusive access to future projects. And there will be a membership club for holders. And in the futures, they will be airdropping their weapons, they will be launching the DAO, they will be upgrading their mechanics and even more. But now onto the important part. Who are they? Well, Xenis and Lucian were two friends that share a passion to turn Astro Army into a prominent figure in the NFT space. They have hired David Kojo, which is a very unique and talented designer, which specializes in sci-fi hand paintings, and Kaan Kutlu, who is a marketing guru with extensive experience in the Solana NFT space. These guys together are going to be next to Xenis and Lucian are going to be grabbing this card, and they are all known, they all have their social medias linked, LinkedIn, Instagram, you name it, everything is there. So if you guys want to support these guys, make sure to check out their pages, make sure to check out this project and support them whatever way you can. Last but not least, we want to discuss their social medias. As you can see, they currently have around 66 tweets on Twitter with 1655 followers, which makes me believe that all of these followers are actually real. They currently do not have an Instagram or any other social media besides Discord. And on this page, you can see their interesting announcements, you can see some giveaways and more. They have 7,000 people in their Discord, and they've already blocked around 2,400 bots. So they are doing their best to get only real people interested in the project. The price will go to 0.9 Sol upon listing. The supply will be 3,333. The premium whitelist, there are still 38 spots available. And for the regular whitelist, there will be more than 212 places available. Altogether, I think that this truly is an interesting project. I would like to know what you guys think about the project, and I would love to see you guys in the next one.